Hi thinkers, welcome to Math Thinker. So in the last video, we have already done with the intermediate questions on LCM and HCF. So today we are dealing with advanced questions on LCM and HCF. So without wasting time, let's start. See the first question. An electronic device makes a beep after every 60 seconds and another device makes a beep after every 62 seconds. They beep together at 10 am. The next time when they would beep together at the earliest is. Here we have to find the common time where they would beep together. See, common time means common multiple, which refers to the LCM. So find the LCM first, then you will get the answer. First it make a beep after 60 seconds and second device beep after 62 seconds. 60 and 62. Now find the LCM. 230, 231 sir. And both are co-primes, so you can directly write the LCM as 2 into 30 into 31, which is equal to 1860 seconds. You already know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 1860 seconds equal to how many minutes? 31. It is 31 minutes. So next time they would beep together at 10:31 am. Option B is the right answer. See the second one. When Sita made necklaces of either 16 beads, 20 beads or 36 beads, not a single bead was left over. What could be the least number of beads Sita had? This can be solved within seconds if you find the keyword, that is least number. Least number refers to the least common multiple, which is LCM. So find out the LCM and you will get the answer. 16 beads, 20 beads and 36 beads. 2 8s are, 2 10s are, 2 18s are, 2 4s are, 5s are and 9s are. And again we can write the LCM directly. 2 into 2 into 4 into 5 into 9. Which is equal to 720, and our answer is option B. Every question seems to be complicated, but when you understand the logic of the question, it feels like it's a basic question and not advanced. See the third question. The greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by each one of the numbers 12, 18, 21 and 28 is. You know that greatest 4-digit number is 9999. First you take the LCM of these numbers 12, 18, 21 and 28. So our LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, which is equal to 252. Now divide 9999 by 252. So by dividing you will get 171 as a reminder. When you subtract this 171 from 9999, you will get the answer. So answer is 9999 minus 171 equal to 9828. So option C is the right answer. See the fourth question. 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? See again, the keyword toll together refers to the common time, which I said earlier, common time can be common multiple, means LCM. So directly find the LCM of these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is 120 seconds. You know 120 seconds means 2 minutes. Means for every 2 minutes it will toll together. Then in 30 minutes how many times do they toll together? They have asked. So 30 by 2 equal to 15 times. But you should add 1 because the first ringing is counted at the starting itself at t equal to 0 seconds. So answer is 16 times. Option D is the right answer. See the next question. A pendulum strikes 5 times in 3 seconds and another pendulum strikes 7 times in 4 seconds. If both pendulums start striking at the same time, how many clear strikes can be listened in 1 minute? 5 times in 3 seconds. Means in 60 seconds how many strikes? 5 by 3 equal to 20. There will be 100 strikes. 7 times in 4 seconds. So again in 60 seconds how many strikes can be heard? It is 105 strikes. So the total strikes are 205 strikes. But they have asked the clear strikes, then we have to subtract the simultaneous strikes. So first find the LCM of these strikes. LCM of 5 times in 3 seconds means 3 by 5 and 7 times in 4 seconds means 4 by 7. I have already said the formula of LCM of fractions, which is LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Which is equal to LCM of 3 and 4, HCF of 5 and 7. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, HCF of 5 and 7 is 1 because they are co-primes. So our answer is 12. So they strike together at every 12 seconds. But how many times they strike together in 1 minute? We have to find that. 60 seconds divided by 12 seconds. It will be 5 times. But we have to add 1 because as I said before, at t equal to 0 seconds it will be 1 strike. So total strikes are 6 strikes are simultaneous in 1 minute. But as they have asked clear strikes, we have to subtract the simultaneous strikes. So the final answer is 205, which are the total strikes, minus 6 strikes, which will be 199 clear strikes. Option B is the right answer. Next question. The traffic lights at 3 different signal points change after every 45 seconds, 75 seconds and 90 seconds respectively. If all change simultaneously at 7:20:15 hours, then they will change again simultaneously at. So again the same thing, simultaneously means the common time, which is a LCM. Again take the LCM of 45 seconds, 75 seconds and 90 seconds. As all these numbers will be divisible by 5, so take 5, 9s are 15s are 18s. These all numbers are divisible by 3, so take 3. Again it is divisible by 3. Now we can do directly LCM. 5 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 5 into 2, which is 450 seconds. We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 450 seconds means 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So before traffic signals changed at 7:20:15, but when again they will change, they have asked. So after 7 minutes and 30 seconds, you add this, it will be 7:27:45. So again they will change at 7 hours 27 minutes and 45 seconds, which is option B. See the next question. 4 metal rods of length 78 cm, 104 cm, 117 cm and 169 cm are to be cut into parts of equal length. Each part must be as long as possible. What is the maximum number of pieces that can be cut? So the numbers are 78 cm, 104 cm, 117 cm and 169 cm. So these are all we should cut into equal parts of equal length. Means we should find the common factor, which is HCF. So all these numbers are divisible by 13. And next, these numbers are not divisible by the same factor. So our HCF will be only 13. But they asked maximum number of pieces that can be cut. So we have to do total divided by 13, which is 78 plus 104 plus 117 plus 169 divided by 13. 468 divided by 13, which is equal to 36. Option B is the right answer. See the next question. A daily wage laborer was engaged for a certain number of days for 5,750 rupees. But being absent on some of the days, he was paid only 5,000. What was his maximum possible daily wage? See, here is only keyword maximum possible daily wage. Means maximum means highest possible daily wage, which is equal to HCF. So find the HCF and that will be the answer. 5,750 and 5,000. As the both numbers are divisible by 50, now they are divisible by 5. But these both are not divisible by the same factor. So our HCF will be 50 into 5, which is 250. Option B is the right answer. See the next question. Find the greatest number that will divide 964, 1238 and 1400, leaving remainders 41, 31 and 51 respectively. See, on dividing 964, the remainder is 41. So let's subtract that. We will get 923. On dividing 1238, we will get remainder 31. So the number is 1207. On dividing 1400, we will get the remainder 51. So the number is 1349. So here they asked greatest number, means first we have to find the HCF of these numbers. 923, 1207 and 1349. I already said you about division method of HCF. So do the division method and you will get the answer. First take this as dividend and divide this. 1207, the remainder is 142. Again take this one as I said in division method. So 8 1136, remainder is 71. Now take this dividend 142, it is 2 and 0 0 0. Now stop it here as we got 0 remainder. Now take this one as a dividend and divide this. 71 923. 1 is 71, 3 is 203. So we got remainder 0 again. So as we got 71 here also and here also, so our HCF is 71. Option B is the right answer. See, if you have any doubt with the division method of HCF, you can watch my previous video where I have done introduction on LCM and HCF and I briefly explained about the division method. See the last question. A rectangular courtyard 3.78 meter long and 5.25 meter wide is to be paved exactly with the square tiles all of the same size. What is the largest size of the tile which could be used for the purpose? And it is also as easy as before question. If you find the right keyword, then you will get to know the answer in seconds. See the largest size, which means highest size, which is a HCF. So find the HCF of the numbers and you will get the answer. 3.78, 5.25. Remove the decimals and find the HCF. If you know the divisibility rules, then you can understand which are divisible by the 3, 4, 7 like that. So if you see the numbers, these are divisible by the 3. Now as you see the numbers, it is divisible by 7, 18, 25. 18, 25 are co-primes which are not divisible by the same factors. So our HCF is 21. Answer is option B. See, if you find only one keyword, then you can solve the question within seconds. Actually, in the exams, the questions will be bigger, but if you understand the logic, the answer can be solved within seconds. So that will be the trick in the exam. At last, I am giving you practice questions. After solving all those 10 questions, you practice these questions, then you will understand more. And if you didn't get any of the question, then let me know in the comment section so that I will solve for you. Pause and take the questions. See, the question seems to be bigger, but answer will be very much small. So that's all for today. And at last, I want to leave with one of my own quotes. The only way to master your skills is through teaching them. That's what I am doing. If you want to master anything, you can teach it to others. That will make your knowledge double. That's how you can master it. Okay, thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to Math Thinker and think always like a math thinker. Thank you.